In the EU, it's estimated that almost 800,000 workers are currently exposed to carcinogenic hexane and chromium. However, developing effective chromate-free alternatives have proven to be a key challenge for the coatings industry, as well as the end product industries that rely on effective corrosion protection.
Here at Hexigone, we moved our research away from looking at different iterations of current substitutes. We've explored smart release vehicles that can hold onto chemicals that were previously incompatible with coatings. As a result, we've developed an inhibitor that replaces harmful chemicals with disruptive micro-reservoir technologies, creating safer coatings that last longer. The micro-reservoir system senses ionic activity related to corrosion and sequesters the corrosive ions into the reservoir, releasing the highly effective inhibitor to protect at a coating defect or at the cut edge.
The pigments show a high level of inhibition when in the industrial coating system, not only protecting at the defect, but offering an increased protection at the cut edge. Independent testing by a leading international coatings company has proven Intelli-ion to be 10 times more effective than current market leaders, giving greater longevity to end products before repairing or replacing.
We developed our product with our clients in mind, and that meant making a replacement system that was easy to incorporate into existing processes and formulations. Intelli-ion has been designed as a drop-in replacement for both hexavalent chromate and market-leading chrome-free alternatives, making our product extremely compatible and easy to use.
Our smart release technology is environmentally sound, economical, and outperforms the market leader in independent tests. Following excellent results in the coil-coated steel market, Hexigone is looking to work with innovative, R&D-driven coating manufacturers and expand research within the aerospace and automotive sectors.